Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Ibiza 1.2 TSI Connect finished in white. This is a 3-door model. Features on the car include daytime running lamps built into the headlights, front fog lights. As part of the Connect specification, the vehicle comes with 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and the matte blue mirror caps. As the car was registered before 1st of April 2017, the benefits from being on the old tax scheme, therefore 12 months tax is just £30 on the car. Seat badge doubles the boot handle, bringing a large loading space and the option to drop the rear seats, which is 60/40 split. Comes with a part leather interior, one hand operation for easy access to the rear. Seats 5 in total. There's Isofix standard on the rear bench. Car comes with electric windows and mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel. The car's covered just over 22,100 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display with full link for Apple and Android devices. There's also DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation, with traffic updates, air conditioning, storage at the front with a USB port, 12-volt power source and 3.5mm auxiliary, and storage in the centre as well. If you'd like any further details on this car or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.